Provided is 10164. Magnet display, also known as metal pegboard display from fixture displays. The hooks are not included, but you can purchase on the side. There are links in product description. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's also a full-length video in the description to help you assemble with no issues. Do leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. The two towers spin independently and the rack rolls on 4 quality casters. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.